If you want to download this photo, you can find the link in the description. Go to File, Export, Save for Web. Select GIF. Then select how many colors you want in the palette. Open the Color Palette menu and select Save Color Table. Save the color table. You can now close this window. Go to Window and select Swatches. Click on the striped icon and select Import Swatches. Select the color table you just saved. You can now find your color palette below the other folders. And that's how you create a color palette.